So this is the front of the house, so the water's coming in over there on the back, and it's running all the way across the crawl space. And this is where the main sewer goes out the front. And all this water, I don't know where it's going. I don't know if that's a drain or just a hole in the ground. I honestly don't know. It's the main sewer. There's your creek running across your crawl space. And there's where it's going down. I could have swore that was the sewer clean out there in the front of the house, because it's right here in the center, right where this is. Take another look at it before I go. Yeah, so that whole back corner over there is all water. It's in here, and up here over to that back corner is all that. The rest of it's pretty dry. All right, that's it.